Model, 60-plate Volkswagen Crafter CR50 109 PSBL BlueTDI medium wheelbase, camper conversion very nice. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 195,864. Engine, 2,461 cc. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: this is a non-runner. The engine was knocking and the garage removed the gearbox and sump to diagnose. Ideally wants a reconditioned or replacement engine. Dropping in definitely worth doing as this is super clean. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: part service history, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999